Stop it, Barcelona. If you think you have seen the best of comeback this season, think again. What just happened at Metropolitano last night was pure football insanity. Stay till the end because this match had everything: goals, drama, a 17-year-old wonder kid stealing the show. Ladies and gentlemen, what an extraordinary night of football we have witnessed at Estadio Metropolitano. In a match that will be remembered for years, Football Club Barcelona showed resilience and sheer determination to overcome a two-goal deficit, defeating Atletico Madrid 4-2 in a thrilling La Liga encounter. The game began with both teams displaying tactical discipline, each probing for weaknesses. Atletico Madrid, fresh off a grueling Champions League exit against Real Madrid, seemed eager to assert their dominance on home turf. Their efforts bore fruit just before the halftime. In the 45th minute, a swift counter-attack saw Antoine Griezmann threading a precise pass for Simeone, who then delivered a perfect assist to Julian Alvarez. Alvarez made no mistake slotting the ball past Wojciech Szczesny to give Atletico a 1-0 lead. The second half saw Atletico Madrid doubling their advantage in the 70th minute. Substitute Alexander Sørloth connected with a low cross from Conor Gallagher, finishing expertly to put the host 2-0 up. At this juncture, many thought the game was beyond Barcelona's reach, but the Catalan Giants had other plans. Barely 2 minutes after conceding the second goal, Barcelona's talisman Robert Lewandowski showcased his striking prowess. Receiving a cross from Inigo Martinez, Lewandowski executed a swift turn and fired a low shot into the bottom corner, reducing the deficit to 2-1. Buoyed by this lifetime, Barcelona intensified this attack. In the 70th minute, Rafinha delivered a pinpoint cross into the box met by Ferran Torres, who headed home the equalizer. The momentum had unmistakably shifted in the favors of visitors. As the match edged towards its conclusion, the 17-year-old sensation Lamine Yamal seized his moment of glory. In the 92nd minute, Yamal unleashed a shot from the edge of the box, which took a deflection off Ronaldo, wrong footing Jan Oblak nestling into the net. The goal not only completed the comeback but also underscored Yamal's burgeoning talent. Not content with a one-goal advantage, Barcelona struck again in the 98th minute. Ferran Torres, capitalizing a defensive error, secured his second goal of the night, sealing a remarkable 4-2 victory for the Blaugrana. This victory propels Barcelona, the summit of La Liga, level on 60th points with Real Madrid but with a game in hand. For Atletico Madrid, this defeat marks a significant setback in their title aspirations, leaving them 4 points adrift of leaders. In the post-match reflections, Atletico's coach Diego Simeone acknowledged the physical and psychological toll on his players, especially after their recent Champions League exertions. For Barcelona, this match epitomized their fighting spirit and the depth of talent within their ranks. Coach Hansi Flick lauded his team's character, particularly highlighting the impact of young Lamine Yamal and the clinical finishing of Ferran Torres. Don't forget to hit like and follow for more crazy match breakdowns.